Hi everyone, this is Steve Nomura from Chicago. Today I'm going to introduce you the 2 units building I purchased 4 days ago. This is a big newly built building in 2015. Then I purchased property as a subject to purchase. Everybody heard subject to purchase, right? We're going to buy in cash or terms. One of the term purchase strategy, there's a strategy called subject to. I just take over the mortgage payment from the owner, and then I got the deed from the owner. Owner was financially in little bit difficult situations. Therefore, she wanted to get out of this building and then go in somewhere a little bit cheaper than this. Then she was also tired landlord. she had such a difficult time to take care of this tenant on the second floor. She wanted to sell this house as soon as possible. I helped her to go through this process, and then eventually she signed the subject to purchase. She's selling this property as is, and then I'm taking over the mortgage payment, and then she gave me a deed. Anyway, mortgage payment is not so big, and then maybe you can have a rent maybe 2 times more than mortgage payment. That's a great deal. And then this place is very close to University of Chicago. This neighborhood is called Woodlawn. Okay, it's a very developing area. In the same block, where we can see 4 or 5 newly built buildings. Therefore, pretty much appreciating dramatically last few years. Anyway, I just show you the property. This is only second floor. And then first floor, still previous owner living. She's moving out in a few days. Okay, but it's completely exactly the same on the first floor, second floor. Let's go. This is the first bedroom. This is the furnace and hot water tank. By the way, we already started repairing for some messy stuff, but anyway, just keep in mind. And then this is a master bedroom. We already started painting. This is a master bedroom, and here's a master bath. And then this is another bathroom. Of course, this is the kitchen, this small dining area. So, okay, 3 bedroom, 2 bath. Okay, 3 bed, 2 full bath, and then over 1,300 square footage. It's a quite big units. The 2 building, and then 2 car garage in the back, 2 car parking space in the back. All right, this is a great deal for me. And then if you're interested in doing this business, just let us know. If you think this is good information, please click the like button and then subscribe. Thank you very much.